Hey guys, Forsaken Reality here. In this video we'll be integrating the climb and vaulting component into the Jigsaw Inventory and Tactical Shooter Kit integrated project. So without further ado, we will begin that process. So the first thing we want to do is import the files from Unreal Engine version 5.3 or higher. And you can pause the video and do that now. So once you have that done, you want to come into your plugins and search for motion warping. Enable that. And then you want to restart your project. I'll quickly pause my project while mine restarts, so you can also do that. Alright, so once you have that done, we will want to deal with the animations. So to do that, we want to come into our climbing component, demo, meshes, character, or demo, characters, mannequins, meshes, and select this skeleton right here and hit delete. And we'll want to switch that to the survival game kit skeleton. So or the survival game kit Jigsaw Inventory skeleton. And for that we are using this skeleton right here, I believe, from the tactical shooter kit. So we'll replace references to this skeleton and save selected. And just to make sure, yeah, so that's the skeleton we'll be using. And once we do that, we can right click, fix up redirectors. Pause for a moment. Now we want to go to our character blueprint, which will be in the Jigsaw Inventory demo character, PG character. And we're going to want to add the climbing component and motion warping component. We can compile that. And now we're going to go to the climbing component, blueprints, character, and the master character. I'm going to come into the and grab this climb and vault right here. Event craft, movements, and we should be able to just Control-V and paste that in there. And if you get this climbing component issue, it's because of the naming. You just want to grab this one right here and drag it over, use that one. And from the false, we can just connect climb and vault on the jumping input. We'll check for climbing and vaulting, jump. And I believe that should be everything. I'm going to do a quick test. Climbing component map. Settings. That to EP MP game mode. Yeah, that'll give us our Jigsaw character. case issue. So I can't get that error to recreate. I guess it added the bones. Worked, I suppose. So we'll just test now. We have our character in. Climbing. Just double check that there isn't an issue with the speed here. There's a quick adjustment to the speed value. Is okay, we can sprint, but the head disconnecting from the body there. So fix that one moment. Alright, I quickly looked into that, and the issue is to do with how our construction script is set up. So this is never actually being triggered. So we'll want to connect this. Over. Connect this in here. Now, at each time, that when we climb, head's not popping off. So that'll be everything for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, join the Discord and leave a message or leave a comment below. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.